Aku por waklat ka belenda te. Ye bro sangut yara eksenduk tungka. Tang bopet mentah pat ufrai dia. Kam no ka ching cencar am. Tip syuk kan long kom na lada. Yap sama na mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel ane hagi restoran ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong yang katong kejongpi. Ke emission kelaple bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Menteri rang ba ka jela konrat ki sangma haka arpnyo ter jembang aja pun riau ula pentim balai keren haka por sting singi pat menteri rang ba ka jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sharma ban bu singi nak benta ka ji keren penbet put haka wat ka baar haji keren beklap sai khubor konrat ula pentim wa anda lebu singi ya ka jingi kendu bu menteri rang ba ka Assam ka Sorkar Meghalaya ka lakut jingban banyakkan penbet ka jing haka snong Lapangap bat ka Assam.
Yes, in fact, I just had a word with Assam CM in the afternoon, and he is traveling to Delhi post 30th, and we have got our own engagements before the 30th. So he was requesting if we could meet before 30th. So I'll have to see if I can change my programs or not. Otherwise, it will be postponed by about a week, 10 days. So we're just trying to work out, but we are in constant touch. And like before, Himantaji and I share a very positive and a very good relationship. We have always tried to work out, keeping the state's understanding and the people's interest in mind, trying to balance out things. I'm sure that even in Lapangap issue, we will work together to resolve this issue. And of course, we ask the local people also to bear with us as well at the same time to cooperate so that we can find a solution to this. And we are doing our best. At the same time, as I said, our meetings and discussions will happen very, very soon. So if I can change my programs, then we may leave in about a day or two to fix up a date to meet. But if that doesn't happen, then it will be about a week or 10 days later. So basically, just to, now that you've asked me this question, so last week when I was in Garo Hills for about 7-8 days, during that visit, the situation was obviously quite tense. And I was continuously in touch on the phone with the SP and the administration in West Jaintia Hills. And continuous calls and discussions were being made with CEM, Ïatreilang. I was speaking myself with the local MLA and with Chief Minister Assam. And continuously for a day, 2 days, 3 days, I must have spoken to them more than 15, 20 times during that phase. And that's how we managed to keep certain situations under control. So in spite of me not being in Shillong, I was in Tura, as I said, with local programs there. I kept my connection going and calls going. And we were able to, keep situations under control. But the complexity is quite, is there. There's no doubt. I don't want to go into details. But CEM, District Council, also is cooperating. There are local issues that are there which need to be ironed out. And, a few of more things need to be worked out. As I said, I don't want to go into details right now. But we are very much aware of the detailed issues that are there. But what I'm trying to tell you is that that we are in touch with everybody from this Chief Minister level. I'm coordinating personally, and even the CEM I'm coordinating personally, and the MLA I'm coordinating personally, and the administration is talking. So we have been at it for the last 10 days, I should tell you. And so this is not that, I'm just sharing something for the press, but we have been working behind the scenes quite aggressively. Let's hope that we'll be able to resolve this. And the Lapangap people actually are very, very close. They meet regularly and they have no issues. But there are certain other concerns that are there which needs to be resolved. So that's we are working on. And yes, out of the total, paddy field area which is grown and cultivated, 85% is not an issue. It's the 15% where for many, many years and decades, our people have been planting out there. Growing the paddy out there. So that is where the concerns lie. There are some complications that came up from Ïatreilang and Assam side, which again are some things that our people are not comfortable with. and hence we are trying to find a way in which we can find a kind of a win-win situation where both sides can accept. So let's work on that, and we are trying to see. We are aware of all the factors and all the stakeholders. And as I said, I had a talk just today itself with Assam CM. I mean, we exchanged messages on WhatsApp. I could not call him because I was also busy with some meetings, but I messaged him and he messaged back saying that, look, I'm not there 30th, but post 30th. So if we can meet before that. So we'll see. We'll work it out. If the need arises, then definitely. But my purpose is not for, to show that I'm visiting. My purpose is to resolve the problem. So whatever it takes to resolve the problem is my priority. And I think it is important for me right now to ensure that I am able to talk to my counterpart and take up the matter to resolve it. So I'm focusing on that right now.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.